I'm the Hooded Lid and welcome to my channel. I am going to do my very first Empties video. I'm not really sure I understand the attraction in Empties video, but I know everybody does them, so I thought I'd do them. And if nobody watches it, then I'll never do it again. But I guess the idea is, what did you like enough to finish? But, you know, that doesn't make any sense because you finish things whether you like them or not, so you can finally throw them away, right? That makes sense to me. But here are some things I finished, and I'll tell you what I think of them, and if I purchase them again, or if I plan to purchase them again, or if, hey, they didn't work so much. So let's start with some shampoo. This is Pureology Purify shampoo, and I really like this. I got turned on to this by my hairdresser. I have mentioned this before, but if you haven't seen, I don't like to wash my hair because it's a chore. It takes a long time to wash it and a long time to dry it, and it's frustrating to style it. Some days it's good, some days it's not, and I like to just kind of keep my hair up in a bun anyway, but now that it's cooler, I can wear my hair down and it kind of keeps my neck warm, and yeah, I like it a lot. I plan on replacing it. I have a little bit left, but it's very, very thick. And what I like to do is when I'm halfway done, I'll buy another bottle and I'll kind of, or almost done, I'll buy another bottle and I'll pour some of that in here and then I'll add some water to it. You're probably not supposed to do that, but it's incredibly thick and I tend to break my hair up in sections and get it really wet and then foam up and then flip the hair over and then do the back and flip it over and then I put some more around the sides, and it's a chore, like I said. And you know, because it's so thick, I like to kind of thin it up a little bit. Pureology Purify, it's a plus. I'll be buying it again. Yeah, this is the soft cream. So this is my day cream. It's incredibly emollient. It's more emollient than the night cream, oddly enough. And I'll go for months and months and months without using this because it's a little too emollient. But now that the weather is drier and we're in fall winter, I have started using this one again, and I've already cracked open my next one. So this is a yes. I really, really like this product. I do think there's a little fragrance in here. I spoke about this probably in more detail in my Sephora what to get thing. I had two videos. One was makeup, I think, and one was skin, hair, body, and this was in there. I very much enjoy this product, and I'm already in my second one. Well, not my second one, it's probably my third or fourth or fifth one. This is my very favorite sunscreen. This is Earth's Recipe Waterful Gel SPF 50 PA+++. The light's weird in here. It's coming at me, but it's not behind me, so I can't read this. That's why I had to pause for a minute. I love this sunscreen. It is moisturizing. It is very light. It is cosmetically elegant, and it's the most cosmetically elegant sunscreen that I have. It's just not goopy. It's not thick. It's not heavy. It's just not thick. It's not goopy. It's not sticky. And my makeup goes over it so nicely. My favorite, they've changed it over the last 3 years that I've been wearing it, but I still keep on going back even though the formula's a little bit different and the scent is a little more different. The truth is, of all the sunscreens I have tried and all the sunscreens I currently own, and that's a lot, this is the one. The last time I bought some sunscreens from Yes Style, I got 2 of these, so yes, bought again. This is the activating spray from Osmosis. You're supposed to use it with their sea serum or with their stem cell serum or any of their serums. I don't know the magic behind or the reason behind or if you even need this. This just could be an extra product for 30 bucks for all I know. But I did run out of it and I did get another one. Worst case scenario, you could kind of use it as a mister if you're feeling kind of dry, I suppose. But yeah, got another one. Couldn't hurt. This is Hylamide Subcute Age. Hylamide is a brand of the Ordinary's Niod. And this is, I bought it initially because it was peptide, but there's hyaluronic acid in here. And then I later learned that the data on peptides is not in vitro. I hope I'm not mixing that up. So let me just say it in normal words. It's Petri. It's not on somebody's skin. So we don't really know if peptides can produce collagen. It does in a petri dish, but your face isn't a petri dish. But we do know that peptides also hold water. They are humectants. So I keep on using this. It's a really good price. I think it's a decent way to get your peptides. If they are effective, then great. If they're not, I'm being hydrated and moisturized, and that's fine. And yes, I've already broken my second one. My Caudalie. I love. It took me a long time to finish this because I don't wear this every day. This is a fantastic color for me. And soon after I found this, within a month, I saw Michelle Wong do a video on the new formulation of this. And she had this color in this formula and this color in the new formula. And guess what? It was yellow, which is the bane of my existence. So I bought like 5 more bottles of this. This is the first one I finished. I'm into my second one, and you know, I don't know what to say. I refuse to wear yellow foundations. If that means I'm just going to have 5 extra foundations, I will. I will say I keep these in their original boxes in a closet that is on the side of the house that doesn't get any direct sunlight, and every 3 to 6 months I will go there, I will take each bottle out and I will shake it because I don't want this to separate and get icky, but I don't think it's exposed to heat and it's obviously not exposed to light, so hopefully it will preserve for a while. But I just love this foundation because it's a color that doesn't make me look yellow. It's not full coverage. If full coverage is your jam, this isn't going to hit it for you, but it does build. It'll never build to full, but it does build, and I just love it. It's not drying at all. It looks beautiful on the skin, and it's fantastic color in the older version. A couple of perfumes. This is going to be the shortest video I have ever done. So this is I love the box. I'm keeping the box. I threw away the bottle. The bottle's pretty too, but this is the rollerball of the Gucci Memoire d'Odeur. And yeah, I finished it. It was, you know, small. I finished it a while ago. It obviously took me months to accumulate these empties, and I really like it. Will I buy it again? Probably not. And that's largely because I think I found something that smells like it that is far more expensive, but it lasts a lot longer. And I will be doing my next, not the next, but the next after might be covering what that is, or it might be the next after that. I think I'm going to do spicy scents first, but I'm going to tell you something that I found that smells very similar to this that actually lasts on the skin. And another perfume is the Nomade by Chloe. I love this, and yes, I have another bottle. It's such a beautiful scent, absolutely appropriate year-round, and it's one of the very few fragrances that works in winter, it works in fall, it works in spring, it works in summer. I don't wear this day after day after day after day, otherwise I'd be using a big bottle, but I do use it enough throughout the year, where most of my fragrances, they're only for the season I designate them for. This is, I think, the only fragrance I own that just, it works any time of year. If you're someone who likes to have a signature fragrance and you want to wear the same thing year-round, year after year after year, I relate. I used to be that person. I can tell you periods of my life and what I smelled like, and those smells still bring me back to those periods. That's what's so magical, one of the things that's so magical about perfume. But if that's you, and you don't want to try 15 different perfumes, I think this is a great one that works year-round. And that's it, you guys. Yeah. It's a shorty. What can I say? I don't know if I'm not a consumer. I don't know why everyone else has just tons and tons of stuff. And this I've accumulated for months, and that's all I have. It remains possible that I probably threw out some things that I didn't even think, oh, I should do a video like this. But I do know that for months, this stuff has been sitting around, and I decided to finally shoot it. And that's it. I hope you found that enjoyable. I think it's weird, but hey, if it works for you, let me know down below. No one ever talks to me. And I'll do it again if you like it. Hope you're having a great day, and until the next time, ciao.